Ditch the yeast and eggs for this fast and simple, common 5 ingredients recipe for an easy homemade bread. Ladies and gentlemen, our next recipe is the very famous breakfast or snacks bread in the Philippines. They call it pandesal, or basically it's just sweet bread with some milk, which is really good, adding some butter or any jam. This recipe is pretty easy. Just place all those dry ingredients, the flour, the baking powder, the salt and the sugar in a mixing bowl, then mix until it's combined. When it's done, add your wet ingredients such milk and oil, and then mix well until flour is fully incorporated. Batter will be thick and stirrable. And this is looking good. Now get some flour on your table, then start kneading it for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and it's done. Kneading is done, so get a mixing bowl and let the dough rest for at least an hour or two. This is to allow the leavening agent to perform their job, and it's good for baking. An hour passed. Look at that, it's like double the size already. So we need to take it off from this pan and then get a flour and start kneading again for at least 5 minutes prior to cutting on your desired size amount. Actually, this you can just put it in one baking sheet to make it a big nicely loafed, but since I'm alone, so I wanted to eat slowly, so I'm gonna make it a small buns. Being inspired, those Filipino favorite breakfasts are snacks bread called pandesal. I'm going to cut it into small tiny pieces and then form it or mold it into one. Then cover it with some breadcrumbs. So I'm using here a Graham crushed crackers, since I don't have that ingredients. Another left 6 pieces, I'm going to insert some dark bittersweet chocolate for a little bit tweak. So let's see how this goes. The bread is almost ready. After that, bake it in the top and bottom fire oven for at least 150 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. look at that, it's lovely. But actually I was thinking why it looks like a potato. Funny. I'm telling you guys, this bread is so satisfying. Remember, there's no yeast and no egg at all. Thank you for watching everyone. Hope you enjoy our recipe video for today. This is Bold Cook TV signing off for now and hope to see you again soon saying bye bye.